there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making $1 million pie. This old-fashioned $1 million pie is as rich as the name suggests. It is loaded with crushed pineapple, nutty pecans, and chewy coconut. And then it is finished with bright maraschino cherries. It's a pie that tastes like, well, $1 million bucks. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, prepare the graham cracker crust. In a bowl, whisk together the graham cracker crumbs, brown sugar, and salt. You'll need to use about 14 full sheets of graham crackers to get 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Then in a saucepan over medium heat, melt the unsalted butter. Once the butter melts, continuously stir until the butter creates brown specks and has a nutty aroma. Then pour the browned butter into the bowl with the graham cracker crumbs and mix until the mixture is evenly moistened. It should look sandy and thick. Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and transfer the mixture to a 9.5-inch pie or tart pan and press the mixture into the bottom and up the sides. Bake the crust for 10 minutes and let it cool completely. If you're looking for a shortcut, you could also use store-bought graham cracker crust instead. Once the pie is cooled, spread the melted semi-sweet chocolate around the bottom of the pie crust. Then refrigerate until the chocolate sets. Now, the chocolate layer isn't just for an added richness. It also helps to keep the graham cracker crust crisp. But let's prepare the $1 million pie filling. In a large bowl, add the cream cheese and whip it until smooth. Add the sweetened condensed milk, lemon zest, and lemon juice to the bowl. Mix until well combined. Stir in the crushed pineapple, shredded coconut, and chopped pecans. The mellow sweetness of pecans works well in this recipe, but walnuts can also be substituted. Then in a small microwave-safe bowl, add cold water and sprinkle the gelatin over the water. Let the gelatin hydrate for 5 minutes. Then microwave the gelatin until it dissolves and becomes liquid, but is not hot. If it is not completely melted, microwave in 3-second intervals until it is completely dissolved. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and set aside. Add cold heavy whipping cream to a mixing bowl. While beating continuously, pour in the gelatin mixture. If the gelatin has started to set and become firm, melt the gelatin again in the microwave in 3-second intervals before adding it to the whipped cream. Continue to beat the cream until stiff peaks are formed. Fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Then transfer the filling to the graham cracker crust. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate until set, which will take at least 4 hours, or you can leave it to set overnight. Garnish the $1 million pie with whipped cream, toasted coconut chips, pecans, and maraschino cherries. Serve and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.